Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix EA Sports FC26 error, and the error is EA servers are unavailable right now, please try again later. Go to ea.com unable to connect for additional information. So if you're getting this error in EA Sports FC26, then here follow the steps very carefully mentioned in this video. Now before performing any of the fixes, first check the EA Sports FC26 server status. You can go to this EA website, link is provided in my video description, and once you're on this EA website, scroll down and look for EA Sports FC26, and if it is showing online, then their server is online. But in case if their server is offline, under maintenance, or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything. You just wait for their server status to get back online, and then you can check back later. But in case if their server status is showing online, then you can follow these fixes. Fix 1 is to restart Steam or restart your PC. So open Steam, click on this word Steam, and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam. Then relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check. Now if you have the game on EA app, then close the EA app and then restart the EA app and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then simply restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, try to launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to power cycle your internet. Now turn off your Wi-Fi router or modem, then wait for 1 to 2 minutes and then restart your Wi-Fi router or modem, then reconnect it and then launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to try to launch the game multiple times. Now when you get this error, click on OK button and then again try to relaunch the game and check. If you do not get the success in first attempt, then close the game and then again click on play button and check. You can try this 2 to 3 times and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to switch internet connection. Now if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to internet via Ethernet cable and then check. Fix 5 is to reset internet connection. So in Windows search type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. So click on run as administrator and then click on yes. Now in the command prompt, type this code one by one, copy from here and then paste it. You can copy and paste this code from the video description. I have provided this code in my video description. So copy paste the code from my video description and then paste it over here and then hit enter. This code are safe to use as it is just used to refresh your internet connection. That's all. Copy the fourth code, paste it over here and then hit enter. And copy the last code, paste it over here and then hit enter. Now you will read over here, you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So close the command prompt and then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC, it is must. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 6 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open the Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app, browse all apps and then browse to the game installation folder. So wherever you have installed the game, browse to the game installation folder. So I have the game on Steam, so I will open C drive, program files x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder, FC26 game folder. Now you have to select all these 3 exe files. First select this FC26 and then click on open. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. Select this FC26 showcase exe file, click open. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. Select this FC26 trial exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now after adding all the exe file, go back. Now click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Then click on change settings. Then click on allow another app. Then click on browse. And then again browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open the common folder, open FC26 game folder. Now first select this FC26 exe file and then click on open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark. Again click on allow another app, click on browse. Select FC26 showcase exe file, click open, click on add. In my case it is already added. Again click on allow another app, click on browse. Select this FC26 trial exe file and then click on open. and then click on add. And after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark. And then click on OK to save changes. And then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Now, if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then you have to allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 7 is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on EA Sports FC26, click on properties, go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to change DNS server. So in Windows search, type control panel and open the control panel. Then under network and internet, click on view network status and task. Click on your connected Wi-Fi or internet. Then click on properties. Then click on internet protocol version 4. Then click on properties. Now select this option. Use the following DNS server addresses, and in the preferred DNS type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4 and then click on OK to save changes and then close it, and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Next fix is to run the game as an administrator. So open Steam, go to library, right click on EA Sports FC26 game, select manage and then click on browse local files. So basically you have to open the game installation folder wherever you have installed the FC26 game, and then right click on FC26 exe file and then select run as administrator and try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. Fix 10 is to try VPN. So you can connect to VPN such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, Kaspersky VPN, Cloudflare VPN, etc. Launch the VPN app and then connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you are already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Fix 11 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, on the left click on Windows Update, then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And after installing the update, just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to uninstall and reinstall FC26. Now if none of the solution work for you, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall FC26. So simply uninstall FC26 from your PC, then restart your PC and then fresh reinstall the FC26 game, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve FC26 error EA servers are unavailable right now on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.